Welcome back to the Alibaba Success Guide. And in conclusion, sourcing products from Alibaba can be profitable, but it does take being cautious, going through all of the procedures that you can in order to reduce your risk. Now, in most cases, using everything that the platform offers, plus a little common sense, you can actually go a long way in being able to source goods from Alibaba and actually sell them in an online marketplace where you'll have satisfied customers. The more satisfied customers you'll have, the more product you'll be able to buy again and then continue selling. Now, one of the key features in this process is that you want to make sure that you are over communicating and looking for the same thing from your suppliers. That means that you're making sure that you have the kind of goods that you want, that you're making sure that you have the kind of terms that you want, that you're making sure that everything that you are looking for in your partner, you are stating it up front and being open in your communication with them. Over communication is one of the keys in the process of being successful with Alibaba. Now understand, there may be a different perception in your words and actions that you might expect. So in other words, you want to make sure that you take extra steps in being clear in your communication with your supplier. There is no such thing in leaving things vague. You must be detailed and you must be thorough in your communication. Be serious about verification and using all the protections, and that really includes testing samples. It includes opening up boxes to make sure that everything that you are supposed to receive, that you have received. And although we've mentioned it in this video, it stands to reason that you must use common sense at all stages of the process. That means that if something is too good to be true, it probably is. That means that if terms are too good to be true, they probably are. That means that if you're getting a deal that no one else is getting, you probably want to go and check out that deal to make sure that it is legitimate and the company is legitimate and that the person that you're dealing with is actually a representative of that company. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video or another course.